Okay, guys, today is a really big day because if you look outside, there's a big windstorm, real big. So we just woke up. We woke up to this. Everything is just branches down. And you should see the backyard. We were jumping on it, and it flew me off the tramp. And
my friend's ivy tree was like 2 feet tall, and it fell down.
No, like 15 feet. Did you see that? But dude, anyway, and some doors are ripped off. Some of the, I forgot what it's called. But anyway, when we were jumping on the back, my feet got freezing cold, and we made this little bunker with our blankets. And so it's pulling down our neighbor's tree.
Yeah.
Wait, has he made YouTube videos with us? His name is Grady. But here, look. See here? That tree's falling over, and if it falls over, the fence falls over, and so that's why our dad pulled us in. And so
Pretty weird.
it was weird. Johnny was like blowing everywhere.
Yeah, and
It was so
flew
funny,
away.
though.
My blanket flew away, but then I catched it.
Bring Christian, come up, Grace, look at that big, large branch over on those trees.
Oh yeah, I know.
Oh yeah, I saw that. Oh, it's so cool. That thing is okay. Dude, an Irish tree fell down, and when the wind stops, I'm gonna walk all around the neighborhood. See, if you see the grass, it like blows. Once the wind pushes. Yeah, when the wind. Yeah, and so
It like flings off.
it's like
flies.
it's harder to walk than usual, but it's still okay to walk.
It's cooling down.
Okay, guys, so please like and subscribe this video. We're gonna make the video where we walk you through the destruction. So, bye, guys.